Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 8th, 2011. Well, markets look like we got some pressure again here today in the grain markets. Corn down 5 to 6, soybeans down about 10, wheat down anywhere from 6 to 7 cents here this morning. A little more fun selling, profit taking, lack of buying enthusiasm, I guess. We've got the OPEC says that they will boost output in order to offset any production losses due to Libya, but the situation in Libya still is a concern. The volatility that we've seen in crude oil here the last few days, the speculative interest increases in the increase in crude oil has caused some concern here, created more volatility, I think, and also has caused some profit taking in some of these other markets, and that's what we're seeing right now. In the grain markets, we've got FAPRI come out with their numbers yesterday, increasing ending stocks for 2011 and 12. Corn, and that maybe give us a reason for some pressure there, or certainly wasn't a friendly number. And as the old saying is, you got to feed a bull every day. So we need to find some bullish news here again to support this market. Now, we do have a USDA report out on Thursday morning at 7:30. According to Allendale's research, we're looking for a possible tighter ending stocks there, maybe even down to the 650 area in the corn because of the demand. It just doesn't look like we've slowed any demand here, especially in ethanol production. The higher the oil prices go, increases the price of ethanol, and a reason for ethanol plants to continue production. So that, I think, is a supportive factor that should provide some support on setbacks in the corn market here as we move into that Thursday time frame. Right now, we've got technical support around 707 in the May contract. We got near that last night. We should see some good commercial buying on setbacks here, unless we have a total turnaround in the world economic situation. But I think from a supply-demand standpoint, we'd expect to see some commercial buying, end-user buying on setbacks in corn. In the soybean complex, the big numbers there are going to be, what is South American soybean crop going to look like? Trade estimates right now for corn and soybeans out of Brazil: 51 million metric tons of corn, 69.8 million metric tons is what the trade average is. There's many of them that I think the high end of that range is up around 73 million metric tons out of Brazil. So a wide range there. Should be a very interesting number to watch on Thursday morning. Out of Argentina, looking for soybeans around 49.1 million tons, and we also have a very wide range of estimates there. So we'll see what USDA gives us. The ending stocks here for the 2010-11 marketing year, average trade estimates are just 1 million bushel more than what they had last month, so very little change there. Allendale is on the higher end of that range, though. We're looking up in that it could actually increase up as high as 175 to 180, simply because of crush. We're running way behind on soybean crush here in the U.S., and it certainly could have an impact on the ending stocks that we're looking at in soybeans. Soybeans were down 10 overnight, got support around that 1370 area in the May contract, so watch that number very closely. In the wheat trade, we've got some rain in the hard red wheat, winter wheat areas. There's more showers expected here over the next several days. Hopefully they get some rain. I know, talking to producers out in that part of the country, the wheat's coming out of dormancy and certainly needs some moisture to get off to a start here. That looks like it's very possible. There's technical support there around the 757 area in the May wheat contract. Livestock trade, cattle continue to hold in here very firm. Packer margins seem to be in the red. Cutout values are higher. We got choice up 63, select up 132 yesterday, and technically basically a sideways trading range in cattle. Hog markets broke through that their sideways range yesterday with a lot of pressure in the April contract. Overnight we've seen some pressure, although now we've settled back and about unchanged in the live hog contracts, but expect to see some support there as long as we don't see a lot of funds selling it. That seems to be the key factor there. Once the market broke support, funds came in, and the public also put pressure on that market. So we're monitoring that very closely. $85 is the key number we're looking for in the April hog contract. A couple other things I want to mention to you. We've got the Allendale webinar next Wednesday, the 16th. We will be releasing the Allendale acreage survey. We appreciate your help in getting the numbers together, and if you got time, we're still collecting data there. Go to our website, get that information plugged in, but sign up for the webinar for next Wednesday. And also, any of you guys are Droid users, Allendale just released an app for the Droid phones. You can get on there and get our information very easily, so check that out. If you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.